In 2020, DeepMind's AlphaFold2 solved a 50-year-old biology challenge. This is one of the biggest advancements in AI and structural biology in decades. In this video, I will explain simply what this means and what advancements we can expect next. The first thing to understand is that there are amino acids, which are the basic building blocks of life. Think of them like Lego blocks. With those Lego blocks, we can build proteins. So amino acids and proteins are both the building blocks of life, but they are also the machines that make life work. It's what allows us to see light, to move, to breathe, and to metabolize the things we eat. Each protein has an intricate shape that defines what it does and how it works. We know of over 200 million of proteins, and that number is going up as we discover more and more. But humans have been pretty bad at understanding the exact 3D shapes of all of these. So if we're looking at a Lego castle, we know which Lego pieces are used to build it, and we kind of know what the castle looks like. We just can't build an exact replica of it.
Unravel a protein, and you'll see it's like a string of beads made up of 20 different types of amino acids. Interactions between these amino acids make the protein fold, as it finds its shape out of almost limitless possibilities. For decades, a community of scientists have been working on a way to figure out a protein's shape, just from its string of amino acids. This is a major challenge in our understanding of biology.
Our ability to understand protein folding would allow us to understand the actual machinery that makes life function. The sequence of amino acids is folded into a unique and specific 3D structure, which determines the protein's function. It's important to understand that a string of amino acids can fold in many different ways. In fact, that's an understatement. To give you an idea, the number of atoms in the universe is 10 to the 82nd power. Yet the number of unique ways a protein can fold is 10 to the 143rd power. These are unimaginably large numbers. So basically, it would take an enormously long time to go through all the possible configurations. Yet proteins can fold in seconds or less. This, by the way, is called the Leventhal's paradox. So out of the 200 plus million of proteins that we are aware of, we were able to determine the exact 3D structure of about 170,000 of them. We did that using X-ray crystallography, which, by the way, was what Walter White from Breaking Bad was really good at. His breakthroughs in X-ray crystallography is what allowed that multi-billion-dollar company Gray Matter to form. That's completely unrelated to anything here. I just thought I would throw that in. Anyway, AlphaFold is able to take our existing data set of proteins, whose structure we know, and then predict the 3D structure of other proteins that we do not know. This is an important thing to understand. Without AI, it takes us hundreds of thousands of dollars and years to map out these 3D structures. It's slow, it's expensive, and it's very limited. But with AI, we are able to have it predict new protein structures with ever-increasing accuracy. As it predicts more protein structures, our datasets grow and allow us to improve the AI's ability. Why is this important? How will we use this newfound understanding in the real world? Well, the ability to understand protein function would allow us to know the unknown functions of proteins in our DNA, as well as quickly design new proteins that alter the functions of other proteins. This would be massive for pharmaceutical development, for our ability to understand and to change the genome. This would allow us to treat many diseases, create biomaterials that we can use in building as well as agriculture. Tissue and organ regeneration might be possible, as well as supplements for health and anti-aging. In the long term, it would allow us to create biological simulations and potentially lead to being able to engineer biological life, as well as many, many more things that we probably can't even think of right now.
AlphaFold's predictions could enable progress in all sorts of areas. Imagine a future where we can understand diseases more quickly and develop drugs to fight them, or one where we could use enzymes to break down plastic waste, or even to capture carbon from the atmosphere, all with the help of proteins. There's a lot more work to be done, but unlocking the shapes of these building blocks could help scientists better understand the natural world, and perhaps expand our knowledge of life itself.